Hey YouTube, you got faded, foggy headlights? Well, this video is for you. Just using sandpaper, polishing pad, and some rubbing compound, I'll show you how you can restore your headlights to new condition. Start with a 2000 grit sandpaper, going back and forth, pick a direction and stick to it. After you're done with the 2000 grit and you've evenly coated the entire headlight, go to a finer grit. Here I'm using 3000 and I'm going in the opposing direction now. I was going left and right, now I'm going up and down. Using lots of water, this is a wet sand, and then to a 4000 grit. Now for a polishing compound. Just apply a dot, that's all you need. Here I'm using a drill motor, it's a lot quicker than by hand, but by all means you can do it by hand. Wow, great improvement already. Do a final wipe down. And guys, this is optional. I got some leftover ceramic coating that I'm going to apply to these. And look at that, they look like new. It's kind of before and after. What a transformation. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe.